ADP Associate Degree Program Year 2022 Commerce, former known as BCom, BCom 2 course outline subject Business Law, Syllabus of Business Law according to University of Karachi, Commerce Lecturer Online। इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कराची के सिलेबस बिजनेस लॉ सब्जेक्ट एसोसिएट डिग्री प्रोग्राम जो इस साल से शुरू किया है यूनिवर्सिटी ने, उसका सिलेबस डिस्कस करेंगे। पूरा कोर्स दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है। सेक्शन ए मर्केंटाइल लॉ, चैप्टर्स आर लॉ ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, लॉ ऑफ सेल ऑफ गुड्स, लॉ ऑफ नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट, लॉ ऑफ कैरेज ऑफ गुड्स, लॉ ऑफ पार्टनरशिप। सेक्शन बी इज इंडस्ट्रियल लॉ, Chapter 1 Industrial Relations, Chapter 2 the Factories Act, Chapter 3 Workmen Compensation Act. Mercantile law is the law of merchants. In law of contract, you have to study contract and its kinds, offer and acceptance, consideration and object, capacity of parties, free consent, void agreement, contingent and quasi-contract, performance of contract, discharge of contract, breach of contract, indemnity and guarantee, bailment and pledge, contract of agency. In Chapter 2, Law of Sale of Goods, you have to study contract of sale of goods, conditions and warranties, transfer of property, performance of contract of sale, unpaid seller. In Chapter 3, Law of Negotiable Instrument, nature of negotiable instruments, parties to negotiable instruments, presentment of negotiable instrument, negotiation and dishonor. Chapter 4 Law of Carriage of Goods, carriage of goods by land, carriage of goods by sea, carriage of goods by air. Law of Partnership, definition, types of partners and partnership, partnership deed, contents of partnership deed, rights and duties of partners, registration of partnership and effects of non-registration of a firm, dissolution or liquidation of partnership. Industrial law, 3 chapters: the industrial relation, IRA, Industrial Relation Ordinance, which is also known as IRO, the Factories Act, which is known as the Labor Act, Workmen Compensation Act. All the best for this year's exam. Like, share, subscribe for most important topics in upcoming days. Commerce Lecturer